Article 36. My name is Dan Farini. I live at 84 Fosdick Road and have lived in Carver for 43 years. My home is 1,500 feet from the proposed Cranberry Point battery storage facility. Carver concerned citizens ask you to vote yes on Article 36. This article is based on the advice of national experts on fire safety, emergency response, air toxins, and battery storage, and also on the advice of municipal law firm of Myers and Harrington. This is what they say we should do to make battery storage safer in Carver. I will review Article 36. Section 9.9.3 is the purpose of Article 36. To specify a permit requirement for the operation of battery storage equipment to protect the public health, safety, convenience, and general welfare. A special permit will be required from the Planning Board. Article 36 says what information an applicant for the permit has to provide, such as they have to have an emergency operations plan that meets 10 standards and sets 7 standards for getting a special permit. I'll go over the 4 key points. First, Section 9.9.4. The application sets out 12 pieces of information required in a special permit application. Things like an emergency operations plan, a hazard mitigation analysis, and details about the batteries and safety. Second, Section 9.9.5, Emergency Operation Plan, requires 10 items. Procedures for shutdown, procedures for inspection and testing, procedures for emergency notices, procedures in case of a fire, explosions, release of liquids or vapors. Also, identification of hazards of fire, explosion, and release of vapors or liquids. It requires a response team, requires an evacuation plan, and an emergency response guide. Third, Section 9.9.7 allows the Planning Board to enforce this bylaw. These safety measures will help protect us from dangers of Cranberry Point 150 megawatt battery storage facility proposed from Main Street in Carver. Air quality expert John Hinckley gave testimony to the sitting board saying Cranberry Point did not give sufficient information on air pollutants, the impact of public health, and lacks other data and analysis. Fire expert Milos Pulaski testified there are deficiencies in the emergency planning. There are drinking water risks if the water is used to put out a fire. The project is in the town's Aquifer Protection District. This is a summary of the permit status of Cranberry Point currently. First, the Energy Facility Sitting Board finished the hearing at the end of 2022. They have not made a decision on whether the project can be allowed or any special conditions. Second, the Town Planning Board approval expired. Cranberry Point should be required to file a new permit application. The current application is 5 years old. Also, there is new information that we did not know then that we know now. Third, Cranberry Point asked for a modification of the expired permit. The Planning Board should not allow the modification. They should require a new permit application just like everyone else. Fourth, Cranberry Point is asking the state for total exemption from our zoning laws. We oppose that. The general bylaws we propose, Article 36, would not be affected if the state grants a zoning exemption. Also tonight, there are 2 related articles. Article 41, which will ban battery storage over 10 megawatts, and Article 40, which changes the use table. We ask you to vote yes on those 2 also. Vote yes for safe battery storage. Let's follow the experts' advice and require a special permit. Thank you.